I would like to thank Auxein Group and everything they've done. It's fantastic. The program, the course, and the lectures, everything was well established, well organized.
I really thank Auxein for the great job they are doing here. They are so brilliant. Even the organization, the faculty, and everything around this conference and around this course is amazing.
The workshop was great. All session was to the point. A good discussion has been happened, and thanks to Auxein for today's meeting.
I have to again congratulate the Luther brothers for what they're doing, and I was really impressed with what they're doing.
Of course, I would like to start by thanking Auxein for putting that effort to get that meeting going on.
I really like to thank Auxein Company for everything they did. Everything is perfect, and hopefully we are going to be like partners for a long time.